Hi everybody, Lauren here with
Elizabeth. Hello.
And we're here to talk about this month's All Access, our May 2022 issue. And boy, oh boy, are you going to love this one. Elizabeth, let's kick it off. Like, there's so many great things. I don't even think we can talk about anything else. So let's show them one of your favorite, newest collections.
Awesome. So first up, we have the floral phrases. This is absolutely adorable. I love that we stitched it here on a pillow, but you can also frame it if you like, and this just comes with so many amazing inspirational and motivational sayings that are perfect to motivate you throughout the rest of your day.
This says one step at a time. I feel like that's most of my days.
Yeah.
One foot in front of the other, right?
Yes. And this collection comes with 20 different text and floral combinations.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
Lots of different options on that one. Now, I have this amazing quilting collection. It's called Crazy Quilt Hexagon. Now, Elizabeth, I absolutely love this collection because of all the colors and the fabrics that we picked here. This is the collection that's perfect for that fat quarter bundle that you've been dying to use. Have you ever tried our radial quilting technique before?
I have not. Tell me a little more about it.
All right, so this one's really great. So it is a way for you to create a 360-degree spiral using our fabrics. We have, of course, our step-by-step directions that will walk you through that as well. And then we also, with the radial quilt, allow a design to go in the middle. So it is a seamless design, and of course, it's in this beautiful hexagon shape as well. So this is a really, really fun quilting collection in your May All Access.
So next up, we have the blooming cacti.
Let me hold this Alvana for you.
Yes, it looks like it is straight out of the Arizona desert.
This is gorgeous.
Yes, and as you can see here, this is a part of our embroidery collection, and we use this applique to really just showcase the texture and kind of the realism of what the desert actually has. So we framed it here, but this could also go perfectly on maybe a pillow for your patio.
Oh, I love this too for a denim coat, the back of a denim jacket.
Yeah, absolutely.
I love this. This may have to fall into my purse to take to my house and hang up. You will never see that one again, Elizabeth. This one is for you to see. There we go.
Right.
Look, here's another design.
Yes.
Ooh, nobody noticed. Nobody saw that, right? Okay, now let's move on. I have a great in the hoop project for you all, and I'm going to have Elizabeth help me hold these guys up.
All right.
It's our critter cases. So I'm going to hand these over. These guys are absolutely so fun. They are our zipper bags. So they open up. The zipper is the mouth. Okay, now what's so fun about these is they're made in multiple hoopings. So you make their appendages, their ears, their arms in one hooping. You make your zipper bag in another hooping and then attach them all together. So we use some really fun fabrics for these as well. There is definitely somebody wants and needs these zipper bags. So listen, not just for the little ones anymore. Look at this unicorn. How cute are these? So you, again, using really fun appliques, a little monster here. And then, of course, my little cow, move over. All right, he's coming through. So this is a great collection for a project in the hoop. And as always with our zipper bags, you're adding your zipper direct in the hoop. So really easy.
Next up, we have our reusable grocery bags. Now, look at how fun these are. You can take these to the store with you, and these are awesome because they are customizable. And look at this on the back here. It can actually fold down into a compact pocket.
Oh, I love it.
Yes, and it even comes with a little wristlet here. Once you fold it up, you can take it out and carry this with you wherever you go.
Ooh, that's a great project. I love that. So combining embroidery design with a project. Who knew?
I know.
All right, so let's move on now. Now, you know here at Anita Goodesign, we have been loving gnomes, and we're loving them because you're loving them. And it's May, which means Memorial Day is coming at the end of the month. So because of that, we have patriotic gnomes. Right? Give me liberty, give me gnomes. That's our motto here at Anita Goodesign. Look how cute these little characters are. So they are our gnomes, all right, all dressed up and ready to be patriotic, to celebrate, Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day, all the holidays. Now, what's special with this month's specific all access is that we have a content piece. So this is only going to be available if you're an all access member, and we show you how to take our gnomes. Elizabeth, I'm going to have you hold them, and you can make this really cute wreath to hang in your house. So it's combining your gnome collection, and then we give you some bonus stars and a USA, and we show you how to make this adorable, adorable home decor piece. So again, this is a content bonus piece that's coming in your months of all access. And I just love a good gnome, and you put some red, white, and blue and some sparkle on there. Say yes, absolutely.
Yes.
All right. What more good embroidery do we have, Elizabeth?
Okay, so now we have the orchids and feathers. I absolutely love this one because feathers typically symbolize freedom and flowers typically symbolize beauty.
Oh.
And when you put them together, they create the perfect boho chic look that you can use for your wardrobe, if you wanted to embroider on a jacket or something like that, or even for home decor if you wanted to stitch it on a pillow.
Yes, those are beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes. And will live on forever, unlike the flowers I put in my house.
Yep,
And I forget to
exactly.
water. Whoopsies. This one is called Gilded Botanicals. So again, this is just using our amazing digitizing. These designs are all hand-drawn by our artists here at Anita Goodesign, and each block features a different flower. It includes our folded fabric borders to really kind of showcase those florals inside the block as well. Now, of course, here we used a dark fabric to frame, but you can choose any colors and fabrics that you would like to create your quilts. And this amazing quilt is also coming in your mix and match sizing, so you'll have 6 different size options when you go to create your project there. So we know May is all about sunshine. Hopefully the rain has passed, so all these florals and botanicals are growing in our garden. So I will take that out of your way.
Last up, we have the Anita's Playhouse Bedtime Critters.
Oh, look at these.
Yes, look at how adorable. I absolutely love these. We chose to embroider them on onesies, but you can even embroider them on a baby blanket or something of that sort.
I love that. Yes.
Yes.
The little baby animals doing all the snuggly things. They're all sleeping.
I love them.
Cozy. Look at these.
Yes.
How amazing. Ooh, I love this.
Yeah, and the metallics really just make it sparkle and shine for that nighttime effect.
Oh, any baby's lucky to have these.
Yes.
I love
Indeed.
them.
Indeed.
Yes. So as you can see, our All Access May 2022 is just full of amazing designs and collections. Now, if you're a current All Access member, please know you are going to receive all of these collections plus more. So it really is a full, fun month of Anita Goodesign designs heading your way. If you're not an All Access member or it's time for you to renew, you can always sign up at anitagoodesign.com. You can, of course, email us in at our customer experience at anitagoodesign.com as well, but there will always be somebody there to help you through signing up. Now, don't forget, we have tons and tons of ways for you to stay connected with us. We have our YouTube station as well, so make sure you connect with us to follow along with a lot of our educational videos and our Watch and Stitch live stitch outs as well. Hit us up on Facebook, and of course, make sure you are signed up for our email as well. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us here at Anita Goodesign.
Another great month, another great flip through. Lauren, I just absolutely love doing these with you.
Yes, they're so fun.
Yes, and I cannot wait to see what's in store for June. Thank you, everybody, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, thank you.